Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I am back with another mail call. So this is this month's kits from Spellbinders. I get both. I've signed up for the wax seal one because there you go. And I get the total package. Now, they've come up with a brand new one. It just got announced. I just got the little thingamajigger, little card on it. And I forget what it's called, but it's everything. So now they will include it. It'll include the stencil, I believe, and the better press and the wax seal. I have to look at it because I'm seriously contemplating it. But meanwhile, we have this. Now let me grab my little handy dandy Amazon package opening tool. And let's, there we go. And open up that side and open that side. But this is my total package. I'm going to go ahead and open it. But what I'm going to do, let's open this one first and get that out of the way. This, I am 99% sure, is the wax seal kit. Oh, this one, oh, I don't have to destroy the envelope. And I'll have a pretty envelope. For what? I don't know, but I will. So, come on. Yep. Oh my goodness. And they're lavender purple. So we have, with every wax seal, they send you a bag of the wax to make them. And this one is for you. So let me show it so you guys get an idea what it looks like. And I have a tape there, so hang on. That's great. Oh my goodness. If I could coordinate. All right, there we go. Let's see if I can cut. There we go. Let's cut the tape. And let's pull this out. I just love, I'm fascinated by how weighted. I mean, they're wonderful. But that's what you got. So it says for you, of course, backwards. Because you're going to melt your wax. You're going to, and then pour it into a circle. And then you just drop it in there. And let the weight do the job. So all you have to do is place it. It does the rest of the job for you. But I just love these. I wanted to pick up at least a few of them. I don't probably, I'll have to decide what I'm going to do about the seal kit. But this will be very, very cool. We'll just have to make up our minds if we want to do them all. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm going to be truthful about that. So, but I did want to get at least a few under my belt that I could use, mix and match. Okay, there we go. Put that, and for whatever reason, I have that in there. Okay. Yep, here we go. This is what I was talking about. New clubs are coming soon. So we've got a stencil club that's coming. And do they talk about it here? Oh, these are just my benefits. But they do have a stencil club, which is about, and here it is, the deluxe caboodle. So this new value option will include all clubs in a special monthly bonus. And it's not that much more than what I'm paying now. So that's why I'm thinking I'm going to go for the caboodle, for the deluxe caboodle. Because it's really, I think it's only a $20 difference between what I'm paying now and what I'm with everything. So always, they really price it. Their kits are really well priced. I'm always impressed by how much we get. Okay, so we'll put that envelope over here. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty. Let's open up my box. Let me set here aside. We're going to send the paper over here. Here's another little card. So let's start with what's on top. So we have, it is the Glimmer of the month. This is for November, and all you need sentiments. So there are all kinds of, tell me here, my gosh, I can hardly read. I gotta have them check my prescription. It's worse than it was before, I swear. Okay, so it's just the list. So let me see if I can read it. It says happy birthday, congratulations, thanks a million, thanks so much, a gift for you, thinking of you, Christmas wishes, holiday greetings, always and forever. Hello, friend. Just saying hello. Ooh, I can't read that one. Get better soon, or feel better soon. Duh. From all of us, and so happy for you. And so you can either one of these use the Glimmer press, and then you just cut your little banners. I would do them all, and then save them for cards. So, and this is the card that they have as a sample. And of course, with every one, they give us Glimmer. So this is, and I know I have this color, matte gold. So you can always have more foil. There's never enough foil, in my personal opinion, because it's not sparkly, but shiny. Shiny. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and do the stamp and die of the month club. So this one is sending sentiment. So that's our theme. I mean, and I look how great these are. And the dies that cut everything out. So these dies obviously cut out all our flourish scripty words. And then this guy cuts these out. All, so it has all these sentiments. Just to note, you're in my thoughts, the warmest thanks, belated birthday wishes, just awesomeness. Just really, really cool. So so it cuts all of that out. So this one, definitely a keeper. Definitely, for me, definitely a keeper. All right, next we have the stitching die of the month. These are big. These are big flowers. Look at that compared to my hand. Wow, I don't think they've done as big a stitching die. And look at that. Look how pretty that is. And we combine it with our hello and one of the sentiments. Wow. Or, you know, whatever, sending. You know, that would be sending love and happiness. But look how awesome these are. I think I'm in love. This is just really, 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 and they're big. So you can easily do an A7 with this or a slim line and make a really, really beautiful card. Ooh, I like it. And this is the stitching. This isn't even like the large die of the month or anything. Next, of course, speaking of, this is the small die of the month, and it's Build a Card Hello. But wow, look at that. Look. And all of that paper piecing, oh my goodness, I'm fascinated by that. I'd be suicidal, but fascinated at the same time. But look how beautiful, how pretty that is. And you just paper piece it all in there between all the dies. And it, of course it cuts, we have all the dies to make this. I love it. I'm like, wow, that's a lot of pieces. And I'm sitting here thinking, I love that, the concept of paper piecing. Do I want to do it? Ah! Yes, because I'm crazy that way. All right, moving right along. Let's go for the large die of the month. And it is Towering Blooms. So flowers are the things, big flowers are the thing. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I'm like, wow. I need to really play with this stuff. I need to just not look at it and go, wow. I need to pull it out and do stuff with it. I'm like, what's wrong with me? But look how beautiful that is. I love it. I mean, and they're big. I love that. Hello, you, or smile, right? And then smile is the other word. I love it. This is really, really, really cool. All right, next we have the 3D embossing folder of the month. Let me grab a colored piece of paper. Just this. This will probably work. Use these. Guess they were hanging right there because I have a box that I'm trying to organize. I was talking to Natasha. I think I'm going to hire my grandsons to do some of my inventory and I'm going to teach them Evernote and then have them enter some of this stuff for me because it's getting crazy. Okay, there we go. I can pull this out now. But this is really, really cool. So look at that. See, now you get a good look at that. This is really awesome card background. Just even for these right here. Or with our sentiments. Let's just go with the sentiments and a really pretty background. And you're one and done. Allow. And it'll make me bust out my Glimmer. Because really, it should be doing something other than sitting in a box. Quite literally collecting dust. I'm like, oh, I'm ashamed of myself. Okay, we'll put that down right there. We'll leave that there. And we'll move along to the regular embossing folder. And this is a flower that totally, I mean, there we go. You can see it right here. It totally coordinates with these flowers. So it would be a massively amazing background to these cards. I'm like, wow. Think about it, because I'm looking at these little flowers. Think about it. We could emboss this whole background and then emboss another layer and cut the flowers on a different color and put them on there. And then put your sentiment and boom, you're done. Right? I'm you know what, on that note, hang on a sec. I'm going to write this down. Hold on. As you've seen, I took a quickie. I just grabbed one of my sticky notes here in a pen, and I wrote down the idea I had so that, with as much detail as I could, so that I can come back and remember what I was thinking when I decided I want to make this card. So, and you should do that. If you think of something, go, oh, but you know, what happens, we all get busy, we all get crazy, and we don't do it right. So this time, just write it down and then stick it. I learned this from another, I wish I could tell you who exactly, but it was another content creator. And they did that. They write the notes and then they tuck it in so that you have it when you're ready to work on it. Okay, last but not least, let me toss the box. Fly, my pretty fly. Is the quick card kit of the month. And these are, of course, smaller than they used to be, but still just as cute. Just as cute. So, and every month they give us a new color of shaker bits. Look at that. Wow, I love this kind of bronzy color. Whoa. Very, very nice. So we have that. And let's just start pulling stuff out of here. So let's start with the chipboard pieces. But look how I love the colors. I love the colorway. Let me put them right side up. I love so many wonderful things await you together. I mean, I can already tell. I just love the colors. I really, really, really do. Now, a little sketchy little look to it. We've got, of course, we have the cards. This is the layers, which will coordinate with everything. I'm already in love with that blue. Wow. Oh, really. Blue is my favorite color, so I have a predisposition to like it. But these are our cardstock. Again, and they really do coordinate well. So we have a burgundy, and we have a yellow, and then we have the pink and white. So I believe it's 24. I forget how many sheets are in here, but enough to make as many cards as the kit says it can. So we have a bunch of these already cut up for us to use. We can either use them just as backgrounds or die cut. If I use it for like a matte background and then put something on top of it, I will die cut something out of the middle so to be able to get more use out of the paper. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right, next we have cards. So it comes with 8 cards and 8 envelopes. It gives us a kickstart for cards. So this is like the purpose of this kit is you can make everything with what you've got in the kit using nothing else. So, of course, to that end, we get a little roll of tape, a 1/4-inch tape, and a little pad of foamy dots to help put the cards together. So now let's pull out the paper. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. It already has that very homey, very vintagey look. I like it because I'm an old soul at the end of the day. I really like old stuff. Old stuff is new stuff to me. Okay. Let's open that up and see what we got here as far as paper, because I'm already in love with this one. So I'll try to flip through these quickly. Here we have, this is kind of that mustardy, kind of deeper yellow, but it has all kinds of words on it. Beauty, heart, a grateful heart. I mean, are very good for the fall. And then we have the little tiny flowers, almost like a wallpaper. Don't you think so? I swear it looks like wallpaper. Wood print in a kind of gray, brown, I'm not sure, mixture. I'm not gonna say I'm not necessarily a fan of it, but it would make a great masculine card. Now, wouldn't it? Look at the plaid. I love the plaid. Oh, no. We're getting the plaid, the side light for the butterflies. Look how gorgeous those are. They are so pretty. And think about it, if you use it as a background, take your Wee Costella and glitter some of these up. Just subtle, just enough so it's noticeable, but not overpowering, because this is busy paper. And don't sparkle all of them. Just sparkle a few of them. Just enough to give that pop. I like that. Look at that. Again, we have more wallpaper, but little tiny blossoms. I love it. And there we go. Wedgwood. Wedgwood is here. They want it. They want their China pattern back. But I love this kind of a look. And shiplap. Yay, shiplap. I love it. And this one is a different color. And I really, really, really like it. And there we go. Here are our little flower bouquets again. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. I'm getting tired, and I've had really bad allergies. It's not tired, it's that I had to take a Benadryl to stop my face from dripping off my head. And it always leaves me super dopey. So I am super dopey. Forgive me. Anyway, we have the flowers with, look at that, and some foiling on top of the grid paper. And here we go, buffalo check. I love these colors. Subtle, very together. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. And what did the fox say? We're not going to tell you what the fox said, okay? You do not want me singing that song. Trust me on this, okay? But we have, look at these little cute little foxes. I love it. And then we have the Matrix. I don't know why. My first thing that popped into my head when I saw this was the code in the Matrix. Guys, remember that? And so we have the Matrix as part of the card kit. I think it's very cool. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful those flowers are. Think about the same technique I just told you about the butterfly. I was in there and I would glitter up the blue ones because blue is my favorite color. And so not all of them, just pick a color and do that one. And you will get really, really, really beautiful cards. So that was my purpose. That's my evil plan. Okay, next, and these are all one-sided. They almost look like raindrops, but it's pink. But I love that they're not just like round dots. They're little cattywampus. But I really, really, really like that. And what do we have here? What is this? Are these arrows? I can't tell what the Bloomin' Blazes they are. I think they're arrows, and then these are just the tail feathers kind of a thing. That is really, really cool. Yeah, we have some spears here. But if they're going to put weapons on it, but they've made it, you know, you can tell it's weapons, but it's not been like you know, all girly. We have here mushrooms, right? No, pears. I think these are pears. I am so sorry I'm yawning. So it has hit me all of a sudden, guys. So I'm going to try to speed through this before I sit there and start snoring on video. But I love this. And then we have definitely wallpaper. It's all wallpaper this month. I love that. It's so cute with the little tiny, almost like little tiny star or X's. It's still really cute. And then we have a diagonal and a blue because it's my favorite color. And we have another floral. This is definitely the 60s, 70s calling back and why their floral print back. Because I remember that stuff. Because I am that old to be able to personally remember that stuff and not be watching it on a documentary or something. Or ask my parents, what is a cassette player? Oh, Lord. Because there are kids now that will ask that question. And it's so funny. It becomes a little bit more relevant because we have, Guardians of the Galaxy. But, okay, so we have here, these are foamy bits, I believe. Yep. Turn them upside down. So these are just all foam little pieces. Really, the color on this is really, really pretty. So if you put them on the cards, it's going to pop out. But we have a nice package of those. Yay. And we're almost there. We're down to the wire. We have the foam sentiment words, which now is a lovely, look at me, a monthly thing. And I love these colors. I'm going to probably try to power through these card kit because I love it. It is so awesome. They're just great. And then we have, of course, our inspiration. So it's our inspiration sheet. Look at the cute cards. Perfect. I love that. Good things are coming. And it's like a wedding cake. I love it. Both of these cards. And that's that paper I showed you guys already. In use immediately. Gotta love it. And this is the ephemera packet. I don't know if I want to open it, so we're just going to show it to you from here. But it has a ton. When I mean a ton, I ain't joking, people. A ton. Okay, you want me to open it? Okay, no, I'm looking. Let me go to a white piece of paper or something. Let me roll back. Here we go. Because if I open it up on the mat, everything sticks to the mat. It's really great for that, but it's also, everything sticks to it. It's a good thing and a not so good. Okay. But let's just open these up and we'll pull some of them out, or all of them. And let's just spread them out. But look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the fox. That fox, and I'm not a fox person, but that fox has caught my eye. Look how beautiful he is. And here's a wedding cake that we have from the sample. And of course, butterflies, because you can tell this thing is very butterfly-centric because it has flowers. So, I mean, these are all the pieces that come. Look at that mandala, or it could be a lace doily or a mandala. But look at all the stuff that we have. Look at this little birdie. Isn't that birdie cute? They give you so much to play with that. How can you not be inspired? I just, somebody explained to me how that's possible. And there we go. Not quite from the sample, but you can make, because we only have one sheet, but you like that style? Well, here you go. Use these flowers. It is all, you're only limited by your creativity, people, okay? That's the only thing that will stop you, but it can also start you. So use it. Trust your instinct. And if it pops into your head, there's a reason. All right. So meanwhile, thanks a lot for hanging out with me as I open up all of my packages. If you enjoyed this, got excited about anything I got, then you know what to do. Ring bell. Excuse me. Give me a like. I can't think. I'm telling you, I'm not tired. Give me a like, please. Go ahead and drop me a note if you want to. And if you want to see more of my madness, hopefully not as doped up as I am right now, then go ahead and ring that bell, and you will know, and you will get the notification when I'm up around. All right, guys. Meanwhile, I'm gonna let you go. Craft, make something beautiful. Always remember that what you make will touch somebody's heart when they receive it. So go out there and make something beautiful for somebody. Make a difference in their day, and give that to them. All right. Otherwise, you guys know the drill. We're all a little mad here. So come on. Craft the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later.